All good? My name is Jack. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the Solar Safe before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Solar Safe works. What is Solar Safe? Solar Safe is a digital guide composed of videos and blueprints for building a simple power bill slashing device that can eliminate 68% of your electricity bills or even more. The device can work anywhere and at any time. The best part is that it works and can power everything in your house, from your fridge, heater, and big TVs to computers. Solar Safe is especially important during disaster situations when all the power lines in your area are down. It can help preserve food and keep your family warm during critical moments when the government can't provide immediate help. Anyone can build this device from scratch from the comfort of their home. All the parts you need are readily available at any online or local store and are inexpensive. Unlike most DIY solar panels that cost over $2,000 to build, the Solar Safe device can be created for under $200. Everything you need to know about putting the Solar Safe device together is clearly illustrated in video form, ensuring you do not miss any crucial steps. You only need the regular car battery and a few other things to complete your setup. Solar Safe does not take up a lot of space, and you do not need to risk your life climbing on the roof to install your home-built solar panel. Once you've assembled your Solar Safe, you can place it anywhere around your home, even in the basement, and enjoy cheap, green electricity. It is portable and small. The portability of Solar Safe allows you to carry it anywhere you wish. Even if disaster strikes, you won't have to worry about living without electricity. Solar Safe can help you preserve, cook your food, and stay warm during those times. The device also takes up little space and is very light, making it easier to be transferred from one point to the next. One battery will provide you with free electricity for 18 to 20 hours and charges no matter how cloudy or cold it is outside. Once you build it, you do not have to spend more money to maintain it. Solar Safe is also not noisy. The digital guide is exclusively sold on the official website at an affordable price and is very reliable. The Solar Safe guide sells for $39 and has 3 free bonuses. Solar Safe and the bonuses are digital guides that can be downloaded immediately after purchase. Solar Safe Guarantee. The digital guide provides a 60-day money-back guarantee for consumers who find the handbook unsatisfactory. Solar Safe bonuses. When you purchase Solar Safe, you will receive 3 exclusive bonuses. They include 1. EMP Safeguard, 2. Solar Safe Power Reserve, and 3. Smart Secrets, Nature's Energy Sources.